Hi everyone, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today I will help you how to enroll your Platinum Capital One credit card. So there are actually several ways to activate your card. So let's proceed with the first one. You need to open or enroll an online Capital One account. So with that, just go into their website right here, which is this one right here. And once you've enrolled, follow the prompts to activate your card, which will include entering the three-digit security code on the back. So here's an example of enrolling. Once you have enrolled, it will show you this one. So if you have a Capital One online account, then you should press on sign in and activate. But if you don't have, then you can also enroll and activate. So this process works with both enrolling and activating your account. You can also activate, or other ways to activate your card is in the mobile app. You can select profile, then go on select account and feature setting, and select activate a credit card. So after doing all the steps, you can now readily use your Platinum Capital One card.